How to record videos in MP4 format on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to record videos in MP4 format on your iPhone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on camera. And here, once you are in the camera section, simply scroll down and tap on formats. Now by default, your iPhone may set it to the high efficiency, which records videos in MOV format, but to save videos in MP4, instead simply select most compatible option. And this will ensure that your iPhone record videos in a widely supported MP4 format. And that's it. Now any video you record on your iPhone will be saved in MP4 format, making it easier to share and edit across different platforms. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.